The expenses that come with college life are not reasonable. Likewise, the demands of your classes don't offer a lot of wiggle room when it comes to flexible schedules. Stay tuned. We've got 6 options that are on demand and pay you enough to pay your college-related expenses. Freelancing. With freelancing, you can pick any job that fits your skill level, such as content writing, web development, SEO, programming, editing, and the like. Freelancing opens doors to a lot of different gigs. Plenty of websites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, and Upwork help you start your freelancing journey. You just have to become a member for free and build a good portfolio on these sites. A lot of clients are looking for talented individuals who can work for them and get paid. Social media management. Becoming a social media manager for a business would require you to establish brand awareness, manage customer relationships, and bring new leads. You work for them to represent the business online. The social media management job is simple, especially if you understand what works on the platform and can translate that into generating interest for that business. Valet Service. If you have enough parking space in your house, then you can offer a valet service by giving your yard space or driveway on rent. This way you can earn extra money and offer a parking service by renting out your parking area. Valet service is becoming a popular way for college students to earn money. Teaching. Many parents are looking for people who offer teaching services. You can place an ad on social media about your teaching service, short courses, or one-day class at an affordable rate. If you like to teach your favorite subject, then becoming a teaching assistant is a great learning and earning experience. This is a huge bonus to go alongside your money-making gig, since you'll continue your education and get to use that expanded knowledge as part of your own gigs. Selling goods online. You can make a small e-commerce website and sell goods online. Most people want to shop online without the hassle of getting out of the house, particularly during pandemic times. You can sell any product which is high in demand and earn extra money. Selling goods has never been simpler with the influx of e-commerce platforms. All you need is to join a popular and reliable e-commerce website or marketplace, pick a product, and start selling it. The excitement to see yourself earning money through selling different products online is out of this world. Virtual assistant. Small business owners are usually on the hunt for people whom they can hire as virtual assistants and perform different business tasks to free up their time. These tasks could include managing accounts, responding to emails, social media handling, or simply curating content. To start working as a virtual assistant, you can join freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork. There are tons of virtual assistants gigs where businesses outsource their work to freelance virtual assistants by paying them on an hourly or project basis. Those tasks are remote-based and you don't have to step out of your home, but can work from anywhere and anytime per your convenience. All the different ways for broke college students to make money can help you realize how rewarding it is to earn extra money and adopt passive income as a side hustle. Of course, everything takes time, but once you start with a strong focus, there's no way to look back. And it's better to pick out these ways as early as possible to make money and keep track of your payments. Thanks for watching. And remember to comment and subscribe to our channel. And visit thepaystubs.com to create your own pay stubs today.